This is a simple idea for you to use at home if you're looking for some physical activity for your kids to do. For this game, all you're going to need is a broom, a ball, and a box that you can set sideways as a goal. If you don't have a box, you could use a bucket or anything like that as a goal. Okay? If you have two players, this game could be even more fun. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to practice hockey. You can have one hand at the top, one hand at the bottom, or middle, right there. You could even choke up on your broom if your kids are smaller as they move the hockey puck around the floor. Obviously, it's not a hockey puck, I have a ball. You could do this inside on your carpet, you could do it on the wood floor. You can also do it outside in the grass like as I'm doing right now. So, you're going to move your puck around and shoot a goal. And that's what we're going to be doing. Made a goal, come back. You can practice moving the ball back and forth like that. Try walking and doing it. That's okay, go get it. In hockey, you're allowed to use your ice skates as well, so if the ball comes close to your feet, it's okay to kick. That's just part of these hockey rules. Broom ball rules. You can imagine the type of fun you can have if you have two people playing this. You could play it like basketball, where you're playing half-court basketball, and once the other person gets the ball, he's not allowed to shoot it. He would have to go back to the end and come back to shoot it. Or, if you have two boxes, one on each side. Thanks for watching this short tutorial about indoor hockey with a broomstick and a ball. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to keep seeing these short physical activity videos that you can do at home. See you next time.